Yo! JoeKingAudits. Really don't do it justice, this view, man. Some blue lights. Just for the police officer audits. I keep sticking my thumb up every time I see a fire engine, an ambulance, because I've got probably a hard job tonight. The police have probably got a hard job as well, but you know, they're cunts, so they can piss off. They're not getting no thumbs up from me. Firemen have never done me no harm. Ambulance has never done me no harm. In fact, they fixed my knee on first attempt, man. Had surgery on my knee. They fixed it first time, man. Although I'm getting arthritis, definitely, but that's all right. What a view, man. We need one of them 3D cameras on here, man. Yeah, just ignore me, it's alright. I just talk to myself. Usually I can find a fire. Oh, I saw somebody set their house on fire. The whole garden, leaves everywhere. They just, obviously, they didn't think about the leaves. It's basically set the whole garden on fire, right up to the wall where there were a wall just like next to the house. So it's a good job they had that there, because they'd have a fire next to their house otherwise. I'd say it was under control, but I don't think it was. I was going to record it, but you know, it's bonfire night, man. I could fucking record people being an idiot for days. In fact, we've done it plenty of times. Set fridges on fire, all sorts of shit. My dad put an aerosol can on. Oh my god, you could see the windows vibrate. I just saw the windows shake, man. They're all houses round. We've got a massive back garden, so it probably won't going to cause no harm, but we've got a fence all around the back garden. But we were like stood behind the shed. But I was like, get back. It fucking took ages though. We were like waiting for about 10 minutes and boom! Fucking windows were shaking, man. Hairspray can. Back in the day with CS gas. Or CFCs or whatever they're called. Not CS gas. CFC gas. Guessing that's illegal now. I don't understand why they locked the park up. I can get in the park. Oh, in fact, everyone can get in the park. Thinking about it. I just can't get in that way. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna go out front. I'm gonna go out front of the gate, see if they'll lock that up. Surely they'll let me out of that gate. Oh, go. Oh, you got to walk out. It's like, well, there you go. Because this park is a shortcut. But because of Bonfire night, they're like, oh no, you can't walk home. Sorry. I mean, this isn't walking home. I'm walking to a friend's house, but that's what I try to like. Like, come on, let me in, man. It's a little walkway home. I always use this path. You can't just let me walk all. Like, you wouldn't believe how far you got to walk around to get like round this park. And you can only go one way. If you go the other way, it's like jumping through someone's garden to get like onto the street so you can actually get through. I actually did that before. But I am joking audits, so you know, trespassing don't matter to me. It's a civil matter. They can sue me if they want, they can take me to court. Fuck yourself. I'll go for anyone's garden. Well, I'm not going to rob them. I'm fine. In my opinion. It's just necessary. One time I walked through a golf club. No, I walked through a woods, and it was like a private woods. I didn't realise it were private woods, and then you get down that fucking path, walk down path, and it goes, private land. Trespassers will be shot on sight. No, I don't think so. Trespassers will be prosecuted. So, I'm like, fucking, there wasn't no signs when I walked in here. I had to walk over a river. And then the pathway, they actually blocked with like an obstacle course, man. Climbing over shit, and they were a lot of fun. And then I got to this golf course fence, and I was like, because I was walking home like the birds fly in a straight line. Oh, God, this way, it's easier. And I got to this massive fence with spikes on. Like, I've got to get over this fence somehow. I was knackered as well, and I had all my clothes on. It was snowing, I was freezing. I thought, fucking, I'm never going to get over this fence. I'm never going to get over this fence. Story time with JoeKingAudits again. It's always story time with me, innit? Check out JoeKingAudits on YouTube. Like and subscribe. I'm a whore, I'm a view whore, subscriber whore. Yeah, so I got to this metal fence, about 10 foot. There were a branch that overhung the fence. And I thought, I can get over this. I had to walk up this massive hill. I couldn't see the fence because it was just such a big hill, but the view was just amazing. I'm going to go back there one day and I'll show you exactly what I did. I actually put wood on the spikes so I could stand on the spikes, hold onto the tree, like climb the tree, hold onto the branch of the tree that overhung, and I could stand on the spikes. I put a branch on the spikes. I took all my clothes off because my clothes were too heavy, man. I put everything in my bag. JoeKingAudits on YouTube. Check it out. You'll all be on YouTube. Did you enjoy your night tonight? Did you enjoy the fireworks? Yeah. Cool. Cool. Do you know what bonfire night's about? No, no, Guy Fawkes. He set fire to the government buildings. That's what 5th of November's all about.
I know, I'm aware of that.
Alright, cool. But I got over that fence safely. Did it as safe as I could. I froze my ass off, but you know, I didn't want to die on my own. Impale myself on a fence. So I did it as safely as possible. I was actually trying to bend the spikes over because it was just too dangerous. But I thought, nah, there's a better way than this, surely. I'm going to put my bag on it. I thought, fuck it. Put my bag on it. I had my laptop in my bag for some reason. I don't even know why I had my laptop. I can't even remember why I had my laptop. I never take my laptop anywhere. And this day is like, well, now I never ever take it again. It's just the weight. I got lost. I know, fucking. I was just knackered by the end of it, and I was like, I can make it through these woods and I can go as the crow flies. But it probably took longer, if anything. But it was fun. It was an experience. And the view was amazing. I feel like walking down to that guy over there and going, see, I told you I'd get through. I didn't show you that, did I? He said you can't come through here. Gates are shut and there's a fun fair, so you can't get through anyway. And it's like, of course you can, what are you on about? Do you know how big this park is, man? If you can't get through, then you must have bloody fenced it off proper good. But I still got through. Although I found a new shortcut, I didn't actually know where that path led. Fire down there. Possibly. Seriously, I don't even care about fireworks. But, like, I've seen so much fireworks tonight and it's just like, I didn't even get to see a fire really. Apart from that guy that set his old garden on fire. I said, I think it's got a van, don't you? He went, he seriously didn't know what to say. It was the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. Well, maybe not the funniest thing, but close to it. It was so good. And we were just watching from their house and I was like, can you even get out? Well, I was thinking, can you even get out of your house now? Like, the whole garden were on fire. We had like a wall and it sort of stopped the fire. But like to walk down the path, it must have been red hot, man, because I was outside the garden now, I was red hot. So there's just no possible way. Without burning yourself. And next, like over the road, the neighbours said, "Oh, fire brigade's gonna be here in a minute." And I'm like, "You'd be lucky because they'll be busy tonight, won't they?" You'll be last on the fucking list until your house starts burning down. Which we're pretty close, but you know, it wasn't there yet, so they're probably not a priority. They actually extinguished a fire about. Oh yeah, I've got that on video anyway, so that'll be. You can check that out. Like and subscribe, and I hope you all had a good bonfire night. It's my favourite time of year. It's better than Christmas. that. Chucked it down. I hope it hit him. JoeKingAudits out.